decide. I know. But you gotta decide. Ooh, shawty, you tried it. Foreskin is filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make
Bitch, I'm flexing. I ain't got time to be texting.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video sponsor is Hairvivi. This is just how their box comes. It comes with a satin bag to store your wig in, and also an information pamphlet for their wigs. So right out of the box is how the hair looks. It's super silky. It didn't give me any shedding or tangling right out of the box. And this is just how the inside of the wig is looking. It is a 13x6 Hdlacewig frontal wig. It has 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps on both sides. So the good thing about this wig is that the knots are already bleached. Like, do you see that part? Like, that part is perfect. The hairline is also already pre-plucked, so all you really have to do is take it out of the box and install it. Like, that is bomb. Like, you see that hairline? I didn't do any plucking to this hairline at all whatsoever. I did notice that one side is plucked more. This side here is just a little bit more dense. So if it were my preference, I probably would have went in and plucked it more. But for video purposes, I just wanted to show you guys how the wig looks right out of the box. So it does come with an elastic band, so you can choose to wear this wig glueless if you want. All you have to do is just hook it to one of the hooks on the side, according to how comfortable or tight you want it, and cut the lace off, and then you can just put it on, literally. Okay, y'all, so this is how the wig is looking so far. So my first impression while putting the wig on is that the hairline pretty much does not cover all of my natural hairline. I do have a low hairline naturally, so some wigs just really don't work for me depending on how they're plucked and how they're made. But this one, it's okay. It looks like my natural hair will blend in with it. I have to like pull it up really extremely far on my forehead so the sides can come down enough. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out if I want to glue this wig down or install it glueless. I do want to try out the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. This is kind of like the Got To Be Glued gel. So I think I'm actually going to use glue instead. I kind of want this install to last long. I'm going to wear it for like maybe 3 days. I don't keep my wigs in for weeks or a week or how everybody does that, but the hairline is beautiful. Like, do not get me wrong, if you are a first time wig wearer and you don't know how to pluck, you don't know how to bleach no knots, this is the company that I would suggest you go to, or my company, because I customize my wigs too. But this is a breath of fresh air. Like, I don't have to do anything. All I have to do is take this wig out of the box and install it. Usually when I get wigs from companies, I have to take it out, I have to pluck it, I have to bleach it, I have to color it if I want to, I have to style it. But this wig comes already done for you, even the part. Like, the part is perfect. I don't know, whoever doing their plucking and their bleaching is doing a really, really good job. But yeah, so I am going to install this really quick, have you guys watch me install it, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm starting to install the wig, and I just want to cut away this extra lace over my eyes because it's kind of messing up my lashes and my brows, so that had to go. I'm just pulling the wig down to see exactly where I want to glue it. I think placement is very, very important when you are installing your wigs. First, we're going to start with cutting off our ear tabs, and you just want to cut right above your, you want to cut right above your ear, and you just want to make sure it's comfortable on both sides. This process does kind of take a while. You guys will see I kept taking away hair, putting back hair, just to see what is comfortable for me, because once you cut this off, that's it. So just be careful, take your time with this part, and just make sure that it fits comfortably around on both ears on both sides. So today I'm going to be using the Dot by Key My Lace Waterproof Glue. This is honestly one of my favorite glues I've ever worked with. She is a Black-owned company. She is a young Black entrepreneur. I will leave all of her information down below. She sent me this glue, I want to say June 2020 or maybe like May 2020. And I'm back and forth with this glue and the Hold Me Down adhesive by Erica J. Both of them work really, really well. Like, I can depend on both of those glues to hold up. So yeah, make sure you guys check out her Instagram page and her website. I will leave it down below. So gluing my wig down, since this hairline is already kind of shaped out, I'm kind of pulling the wig down to see exactly where I need to place my glue. I actually got this tip from Paris Danielle here on YouTube. When she installs her wig, she kind of like maps it out, lifts it up and maps like where her glue should go according to her hairline. And that's really a good idea, instead of just placing it anywhere like straight. This just helps you map out where exactly you need to put your glue. I did have to go back, and you guys will see I did have to go back in and add some glue in certain places, but for the most part I didn't have any glue residue just anywhere, so that was a good tip. So after I lay that lace into the glue, I'm just combing it through just to make sure everything sticks correctly. And I'm going to go in with my elastic band to melt everything down in place. I usually leave my elastic band on for about 10 minutes or until it starts hurting my head. These clips are sped up, so yeah, I waited like 10 minutes. And I'm going to start razoring off my lace in a jagged motion with a razor. You want to make sure it's a fresh razor, because if it's an old razor, it's gonna like literally rip your lace. So you want to make sure it's a fresh, sharp razor, and the lace just razors off effortlessly. How I razor off my lace is I do it like in sections, and I kind of lift it up and down just to see like exactly where I'm cutting, or where, to make sure I'm not cutting off too much lace. And here, like I said, I just had to add more glue because this part wasn't stuck down. Yeah, it's a really easy fix. All you have to do is just take some glue and put it right under the part that isn't sticking. Wait a little bit till the glue turns clear, and then just literally just lay the lace down. So for the sides, I went and grabbed my little cuticle scissors. I don't know what these scissors are called. Somebody told me they're called cuticle scissors when I used to call them eyebrow scissors, and they were like, no, they're cuticle scissors on one of my old videos. So ever since then, I just started calling them cuticle scissors. I don't know, child. But I'm taking these tiny scissors and razoring off the lace on the sides. And again, I had to add more glue. I like doing this rather than adding too much glue before the hairline, and now like all your hair is stuck to the glue in the front of your hairline. It just doesn't look good. So yeah, I would rather add more glue than have too much glue, if that makes sense. So always take your time with this part. Don't rush by cutting off your lace. You want to make sure you're cutting it in a jagged motion. You want to make sure you're cutting it in a jagged motion and never straight across in a straight line. So someone asked me on one of my old videos to show how I do my baby hairs. My baby hairs are not perfect, you guys. This video is actually months old, and I just, like, it is, what is it? It's March 2021, and I'm just now, like, learning how to really, like, perfect my baby hairs the way I want them. I used to do them extremely thin because I thought that kind of looked more natural, but I just don't like the stringy baby hair look. I like a more dramatic, thick, like foreign baby hair look. I really like that better. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my updated baby hair routine in another video. But like I said, this video is old, so I did these really thin, stringy baby hairs. But if you like baby hairs like these, because it still was really cute. All I'm doing is taking really small sections of the baby hairs and kind of swooping them with my comb just to see exactly where I need to cut. Have like really long baby hairs on your sides, it doesn't look good. So I kind of do like the big swoops in the two sides and at the top, and then on the sides I do like really small baby hairs, and then the sideburns. If that makes sense. I'm trying to explain it the best I can. And I just take some holding spray and kind of swoop them. I didn't want to use any gel or anything. I just wanted the baby hairs to be kind of soft. So whenever you want your baby hairs to be soft, I would suggest using some holding spray. And don't be afraid to just perfect your baby hairs. You will have to go back and cut some, add more, or whatever you have to do to get the look that you want. Baby hairs are a process. It's not easy. It does take a while. So So now I am going through the wig and flat ironing everything. The wig did come a little bulky at the top. It's just because the roots were not flat. So I'm going in section by section, flat ironing the hair and also pressing out the roots just so my wig can lay extremely flat and it can be like a more sleek look. But this hair quality, do y'all see this hair quality? This hair quality is bomb. Like, there was not a lot of short flyaway hairs in the wig like most companies have. Let's just be honest. Yeah, the roots pressed out really well. The hair flat ironed really well. It wasn't stiff. Like, the luster was beautiful. I didn't add any oil to the hair whatsoever. I was really like geeked while I was installing this wig. It was so easy to install. I do appreciate companies like this where you don't have to do too much. You just literally take it out of the box and pop it on. So yeah, make sure you guys check out Hairvivi. All the links will be down below. Okay guys, so this is the final look for the hair. This hair is gorgeous, like super pretty. Yeah, like this is really good quality hair. The lace, I don't know if this is HD lace or they're like special type of lace, but this lace is bomb. Like, I didn't have to tint this lace at all. As you guys know, I didn't have to pluck the wig, I didn't have to bleach the knots. It already came already plucked and bleached for me, which is crazy. Yeah, literally all I had to do was take it out of the box and put it on. Like, I didn't do anything extra, and just hit the roots with my straightening comb just to make sure everything was sleek and flat. The construction of this wig is really good. Like I said, the lace is probably the best lace I've ever received. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is a piece of the lace that I cut off. So I'm not gonna put my hand right there because you won't be able to see it, but I put my phone here. That's not a good idea either. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like a tint, like a light brown, a really light tan. It's not even brown, it's a light tan, which was perfect for my skin tone. There's not too many laces I've received that I didn't have to do any tinting to, so that was a plus for this company. You could wear this wig glueless, but being that I have a low hairline, I had to kind of like tug and pull and glue the wig down in place. This is just how everything is looking. Like I said, I didn't do any plucking. It already came plucked. I didn't do any plucking because I wanted to show you guys a company that you can go to that has wigs already customized. When I reinstall this, I am going to go in and pluck a little bit more because I like a more plucked look for my liking personally. But yeah, I can wear this wig behind my ear. And the lace is blended so well. Like, my baby hairs are not the best. But yeah, this lace, first of all, what lace? This part, I probably got a few pieces of glue residue in my hairline. I'll have to go back with some alcohol and a Q-tip and just fix that. But yeah, like, the hair is beautiful. It is 20 inches, so it comes like right here. And yeah, the hair is the perfect density in my opinion. Not too thick, not too thin. It's like a very natural density. I'm not sure if this is like their 150 or their 180, I'm not sure. But I have all the links to Hairvivi's company down below. Make sure you guys check out the description for any discount codes. Make sure you guys follow me on all my social media. All the links will be down below, or I'll put them on the screen somewhere. And yeah, make sure you give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.